show DIY styles every night. NMSB, bring it tight without all the hype. Just to prove that.
Hello everyone, I came to Hagi Mountain today. Yeah, let's go. Hagi Mountain is next to Mount Yakushi. It's one of the lowest mountain in southern Hokkaido, so it's easy to hike up. I had tried to hike up this mountain in January and February, but I gave up because there was way more snow than on Mount Yakushi. It's March, so the snow has started to melt away, so I can hike up this mountain today. It's windy, but it's sunny, so feels nice. Whew. But unlike Mount Hakodate, there are bears on this mountain, so I have to be careful. Oh wow. Look at this. This is probably meltwater from snow. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's go. Wow, this is muddy here because of meltwater from snow. Okay. Wow, look at this. The ground is muddy because of the meltwater from snow. It's like a pond. I feel good when I walk through this nature, like forests. There is a sign on the left side. There is a Samega Shrine, and if you turn right, you can get to the summit of Mount Hagi. I'm almost there. You can reach the top within probably about 10 minutes. It's so easy to hike up this mountain. That is the observatory. Wow. It's amazing. This view is amazing. You can see the Tsugaru Strait and Hikonai town. The snow is still there. Wow. I will take a break for a while, drinking this tea. I got this drink when I bought katsudon in Seiko Mart. I can reduce body fat by drinking this tea. It's nice. Since I'm here, I also want to visit Mount Yakshi. Yeah, let's go. What is this sound? Wow, the snow is piling up here. Wow, it's so difficult to walk on this on the snow. Okay, this is a place. Take a break. Can I go this route? What? Oh. Okay. This is my first time coming here, so I don't know about the route. Wow. This is a Yakshi statue. I have to be careful here. Okay, I can hear the sound of the water. I have to be careful of this route. Wow, it's so beautiful. The snow is melting away. I can't come here. Yeah. It's so nice. That is the three cedars of Mount Yakshi. Long ago, a husband and son went out to sea and never came back. The wife waited each day, but they never returned. In sorrow, she threw herself into the sea. Villagers planted 3 trees to honor them. Mysteriously, their roots became one, a quiet monument of love and loss. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!